guys, Candida here, and this is the Cotsoco Cordless Hand Massager. And oh my gosh, has it been a game changer. I do a lot of letter writing in my spare time, and my hand was really starting to feel it. And I gotta be real with you, my husband wasn't all about rubbing my hand every day. So I knew I had to find something. And this massager has not disappointed. It does come with a USB cord to charge it. And what I love about it is I can use it anywhere. My hands fit right through here. It's got a hole for my pinky and a hole for my thumb. And it's even got a heat setting. All I've got to do is power it on. If I want to add heat, I can add heat. Because it's cordless, I can go anywhere. So if I'm sitting outside relaxing in the recliner or even in bed, I've got my handy little massager. One of my favorite things about this is it actually kneads my hand. And as you can see, it'll put the pressure, and then there are little balls in here that will go through and knead. It feels amazing, especially when my hands are tired at the end of the night. It's got different intensity levels, and I can use it on my left hand or my right hand. Overall, I love the way that it feels when it's massaging my hand, and it's been a great addition. So I hope you found my review helpful.